When children are normally taught maths tips or tricks, it's usually because it will help them out in a test at school, whether that's a weekly test or an end of year test. There is one trick that I want to talk about in this video that might not earn your child any extra marks when it comes to tests, because the chances of a question like this appearing in a test are very small. However, I think this trick deserves to be shared because it serves another purpose, perhaps an even more important purpose than scores in a test. It makes the child feel smart. It's a trick that most adults don't even know, and so when the child learns this trick and shares it with their teacher is genuinely impressed. And then the child picks up on how impressed their teacher is and starts to enjoy maths a little bit more. And that's what we really want. So the trick that I'm going to share in this video is how to square these numbers, 15, 25, 35, and continue on down to the number 95. Hopefully you'll quickly learn how to do it yourself, then you can share it with your child, and then your child can go and start showing off to other people and hopefully start enjoying maths a little bit more. All of these can be done very quickly in your head. Now, I don't know why this trick works, and that might be worth looking into if you're interested in it, but it works, and you can test it out with a calculator after, or you can try a long written method just to prove that it works. So we'll start with 15 squared, which means 15 multiplied by 15. All we have to do is look at that number in the tens place, which is a 1, and multiply it by the number that comes after it. So you do 1 times 2, which is 2. And then for all of these numbers, we will finish with 25 because that's the answer to 5 squared. And so 15 squared is 225. Same trick here, 2. For 25 squared, it starts with a 2. We do 2 times 3, which is 6. And 5 squared is 25. So 25 squared is 625. So now maybe you can try the rest of them yourself without watching me perform the rest of them. Anyway, 35 squared starts with a 3, so you do 3 times 4, which is 12. Finish with a 25. The answer is 1,225. 4 multiplied by 5 is 20. You finish with 25. 45 squared is 2,025. 5 times 6 is 30. Finish with a 25. The answer must be 3,025. 6 times 7 is 42. Finish with a 25. 7 times 8 is 56. Finish with a 25. 8 times 9 is 72. Finish with a 25. And 9 times 10 is 90. Finish with a 25. It's as simple as that.